Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in the last video we already write the sync application to sync the telemetry data from the IoT hub, most IoT hub to the Kafka, and we able to set up the local Kafka here running here, as well as have one topic, have a sync data from the computer memory uses here. So in this video we will implement the data aggregation based on the minute. Every minute we will calculate the what is the maximum value of the memory uses and what is the minimum of the memory uses. Okay, let's start. So let's go back to the Eclipse and go to the memory aggregator. So what we need to do is create the DTO. Mem aggregation DTO. So what we have here is the string long because the message here we are sending by using the long, right? So long date, and then we have float min mem usage, and then we have a max mem usage. Okay guys, let's generate the getter and setter for it. Okay, we will have a getter and setter of it. Let's put into the DTO. Okay, so next thing we need to do is create the stream configuration. Stream config. So enable binding. So you go back into the document. You see here, first we need to the dependency cloud stream binder Kafka stream. Let's check if we have a dependency available here. Spring Cloud Stream binder Kafka stream available. Okay. So next you need to do enable binding key stream processor. Import it here. Why can't import Control C O, no, Control 1, maybe the object generation, Internet F5. Let I update the malware configuration, and then hopefully you're able to use it's not a KS stream, but it's refactored to Kafka stream processor. Okay, this one. Okay, Control Shift O. Okay, and then we need the method like this. Control Shift O. Stream listener. Okay, input output. So we need to create the listen to the input channel and then do the processing and then output into the output channel. So this one is the key string, value will be the mem aggregation DTO. The same thing, this is the string and this is the string as well. So what we need to do is the input stream. When we have an input stream, what we need to do, we need to map it into the correct value. So what we need to map here is the key value map. So we need to create the key value map class, name key value map. This will be the element key value map mapper. The string will be the key, value will be the string, and then the new object will be the new object will be what it is, last value. VR will be the map value type string. Apply key and value. So we receive the string value. What we need to map here, the value we need to convert into the, so the string here, key here, what does it mean? The key will be the key will be the day, I think. No, the key will be the tenant ID. Go back into the our sync application. This is the key, publish with the key and then value. The key will be the tenant ID. The value will be the JSON object like this. Okay. So we map. First, we need to pass this one into the correct data like this. So we need to do is the create another detail, input detail, right? So what we have in the input detail, day, total. What we don't need the total, right? We only need the day and then the usage, long day, and then float usage. It's not the usage, but it is the yes usage, and then getter and setter. Okay. So we need the object mapper here. Mapper. So we have object mapper, and then we will read for read read value. We pass the string value. The key, the object we get back will be the input detail class. Okay. Input detail. And try and catch up. Multiple catch. Throw new runtime SSL. Can't mark the new key value, and then this is the exception root cause. Okay, and then this one set date, and then input detail. Alright guys, so we want to perform the root by the key. We want to do the aggregation on the root by on the key. You can see here root by and then do the aggregation on the record with the same key. So the key here will be the time, the event time. Let's go and check out on this one. So this is the time. So now we want to look on the records which have the same minute, right? So we need to do calendar, yes, instant, and then calendar set time in millisecond. We put the date. Okay, so now we want to remove the millisecond. We want to remove the millisecond. We want to remove the second. We want to remove the second. Right. So on the records we have the same minute, the same time until minute. Then we will group into one key. So we will return. Oh, this is not the string, but it's a key pair. Key pair. It's not this one. Pair. Okay, here. What is the object here? Okay, that I check out on my existing project. I have another project here, use the same technology. So I go here. We have a mapper here. Okay. What is this? Key value. Okay. Key value dot pair. Key value dot pair. So return key value dot pair, new key. The new key will be the calendar, get time in millisecond. Okay, and then the value will be the same thing. Value will be the same thing. Alright. Will be the same thing. Value. Okay. Okay, so this one need to be cast to string because key value string. I want this to be a string. String value of okay. The return value here need to be the key pair, and then string, same thing. This one need to be copied here. Okay, so we're done with the key memory key value mapper. Let's create it here. Okay, after we have a new key, after we have a new stream, with the same key, then we will group by key, and then we do the aggregate. This one. To do the aggregate, we need the initializer, we need the aggregator, and then we need the materialize this one. So before that, we need to create the initializer. This will be element initializer Kafka strip, and then this will be the aggregate, mem aggregate detail, or I can rename this one into the mem initializer. So it differentiate with the Kafka import format element. Okay, so this method will be called to initialize the aggregate detail object on the first time. So just create new, nothing else. And here we have to init new mem initializer. The next thing we have to do is aggregator. So we have to create another class, mem aggregator. This one extend the aggregator. Not extend, in one, because this is in the file, I believe. Aggregator. String will be the value will be the string, and the aggregation will be the main aggregate, not aggregator but detail. Okay, in one. Okay, come back here and then create new mem aggregator. The last one parameter will be the materialize, the data store. So this one is what? This one is nothing but the temporary key store in case of the fault tolerance. So during the stream processing, you may have any problem like the application crash without a commit. Then based on the local store like this, it will it will restore from the fault, right? So this one we need to create with the the method for you with. So in case of the issue, let's store it in the local storage with the key, either string, and then the value will be the mem aggregator detail. So this one is nothing but the string, this one. I have a class face here, if not this one. I have a class face here. So let's go and copy the configuration here. The string and the, so let me put it here as well. Mem so put it here and then put it here. and then finally we have to send to another channel, right, another stream, right? Then finally we have to send to return a stream to stream. Okay, this one we have done, and then we have to go and implement the main aggregator here. This is more important. For this we have to convert the value here into the JSON again, to the object again. Go to this one and then copy, because I think here we need two configuration, because not on the property path here, because we only need the date and then uses the object mapper will say warning, say error for us. So we have to config here. We have to configure here. Config. What it is? Oh, day 2 key first. I will copy from here. Okay, here. Okay. So we will ignore on the like a no property. So in case we don't know the property, we will not say error. Okay. So this one we want the same thing in the aggregator. This one as well. So put it here. Okay. So the key here will be the key here will be the time until minute. They no second or no millisecond, because we already removed it here, right? The value here will be the same with the input detail. So now we want to convert this one into the input detail. We just go and copy the code here. Copy here. And then we have this one. We just need to check if aggregate data get date equal null, mean this is the first time, first call. We will set the date, set date equal to this one, equal to this one. Maybe this one I need to put it long, so we don't need to do the conversion, right? Long, put this one, so we don't need to do conversion. And here this will be the key with long, and then this one will be the long. Okay, fine. So set key, day is the key. Okay, because this is the first call, so for sure the min and max as well will be none. So we need to do is the set min and then set max here equal to the input detail here. Yes, this is right. And then if if this one, yes, max, if max smaller than input detail, yes, uses, and then set max will be equal to input detail, yes, uses. Same thing with mean, get mean greater than uses, then mean will be equal to this one. Alright, I think we need to create a variable for this one, input usage. Alright, so we need to return back this one. This is the new one, and then we need to try and get on the exception as well. I think we need to go down here as well, throw new runtime exception, the input detail exception root cause. Okay, this one return the new long, right? How about this one? What is the problem here? Key, okay, key will be not a string anymore, but the long. Okay. Okay. Okay, we are done. So the last part we need to do is be the configuration file. So we don't need to run on any port, so I need to put the random port. The next things we need to put will be the Kafka server. There are few configuration options here. You can see the key value, serialization and deserialization here, configuration here. Actually you can put in the configuration file instead of doing in the configuration here as well. You see here we are putting the key, and then we are putting the JSON here, and you actually can put it in the configuration file, okay, or the mapping like this, string here. Actually you can put directly the input detail here, but we need to put in the configuration file the object here. So now you see some configuration related to the JSON object here. Wait, that JSON key JSON, okay, here, but I don't want so I just make the configuration symbol. So what we need to do will be the Kafka server. Okay, we need to copy this one, Kafka stream provider. So we need to copy this one, stream provider, and then broker equal to localhost. What is the port number? Same with this one, port number 9092. Okay, next we need to do will be configuration configuration for what does it mean input channel and what does it mean output channel. Okay, so let's find out this one, input output. Yeah, not this one, not this one. Input binding. Okay, this one. Or I have a existing configuration here. I can go and copy it. Instead of, because we need to configure what does it mean input and what does it mean output. It's nothing but the Kafka topic. So we need to do will be this one, destination. Then we will copy this, go back here, and then put in the application configuration. Input destination is nothing but the topic so that we can consume. We are sync telemetry. So this one should be aligned with the sync application here. So we sync into the sync telemetry. So the same thing, we have to subtract from this one. Next one will be the consumer group. This one will be the mem aggregate, the aggregation consumer group. Okay, output destination we will put into the, after we will do the aggregation, we put into the, we'll send it to the output aggregated telemetry. Okay, and the broker, and then okay, the last two will be the default configuration for the string, serialization and deserialization for the key and value. Okay, I think we need to go back here and change a little bit into the aggregate, into the key value map here. So now we return the long, right? So I want this one should be 3, and then this one will return a 3. This one not the current millisecond, but instead we will format this one as the day format. So I want to format it into the year, and then month, day, and then hour, and then minute. Okay, this one format calendar year time. Okay, so this one, the value here we need to change a little bit into the input detail. Input detail here need to be set day at the calendar date time in millisecond. Okay, and then this is not the value, but again this one, right, value as string Okay, again we put the input detail here so that the value will be the date will be changed into the we will remove the millisecond and then second. Initializer, this will be the string. Okay, what's next key? This should be the string and this one will be the string up string. Okay, how this one string what it is string. Okay, how about this one? Okay, string. We receive the string key. This one, right? Set date. This is long, right? Okay, I think input detail get date. Okay, here we go. We can run it. Not this one. Application. Run it. Okay, what we have now? Missing. Okay, missing the application.id. I think we have to put this one equal to mem aggregate the example. Run again. Oh, the same thing. I think this one is not correct. We have to change to the string application dot name. Run again. Okay, here we go. So it should look through the existing topic like this, and then it will generate additional topic. Let's see how much record we have. 122. Let's refresh this topic. Okay, so we have the aggregated telemetry here. Let's change to string and then string update. We have 9 records. That means we have just run the example 9 minutes ago, right? In US, and then 50 records. Click here, and then expand the detail panel. Okay, you see here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every minute we have a 1 record, which is the mean, and then max means, and then max value of that minute, right?
Yeah.